You've been told to save your money, but what if that advice is actually costing you thousands? If you've put your trust in traditional banks and savings accounts, you're not alone. For decades, this advice felt safe and responsible. But now it's putting your financial future at risk. In fact, most people have no idea that by doing what they thought was right, they're actually falling further behind financially. Let us take a closer look at how you reap being silently robbed and what you can do to protect yourself. If you followed conventional money advice, you probably have a chunk of change sitting in a savings account earning interest. Sounds smart, right? Well, think again. With inflation eroding the value of your money, a traditional savings account is actually a slow-motion financial disaster. Let's consider this. A woman has $45,000 in a savings account earning 0.01% interest. That works out to roughly $4.50 a year in interest. But here's the kicker. Inflation is eroding over $1,300 in value from her savings each year. That's a net loss of almost $1,400 annually, just for keeping her money in the wrong place. Multiply that over 5 years, and that's almost $7,000 gone. And she's not alone. The cold hard truth is this. If you're relying on your savings account to protect your wealth, you're already falling behind, even if your balance looks stable. So why is this happening and why should you care? Well, here's the silent killer. Interest rates offered by traditional banks are almost non-existent, often less than 0.1%. Meanwhile, inflation, the rate at which prices rise, is steadily eroding the value of your money. Simply put, your savings is losing value faster than it's gaining interest. Let me show you the math. If you have $20,000 in a traditional savings account at 0.01%, you'll earn $2 a year in interest. But at a 3% inflation rate, you'll lose $600 in value. That is a net loss of $598 per year just for keeping your money in the wrong place. Now, here's the bigger problem. While you're losing money, banks are making millions. Here's how. When you deposit your money into a bank, they lend it out at much higher interest rates, typically between 6 to 15% for mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. This means they're profiting 600 to 1,500 times more from your money than you are. At the same time, they're paying you next to nothing while using your deposits to make billions. You're unknowingly helping fund their profit machine while your own wealth is at risk. So what can you do to protect your money? The good news is you don't need to take big risks. You just need to be smart about where your money is kept. Here are 3 options to consider. 1. High-yield online savings accounts. Banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. The bottom line, saving money shouldn't come at such a high cost. Don't let outdated advice sabotage your financial goals. By switching to modern savings tools, you can protect your wealth, beat inflation, and start building your family's true financial future.